Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Moto Auto Trends. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at the latest electric SUV from Avatr, the Avatr 07. This impressive SUV is the result of a collaboration between Huawei, CATL, and Chang'an Automobile, combining cutting-edge technology with solid engineering. But can the Avatr 07 compete with its rivals in terms of design, technology, and performance? And most importantly, if it enters the European and American markets, will it be a serious competitor to Tesla and other major brands? Let's dive in and explore every detail of this exciting new model. Exterior design: modern, sporty, and aerodynamic. The Avatr 07 is a futuristic midsize electric SUV that boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design. The front end features split LED headlights, a bold front grille, and C-shaped daytime running lights, giving it a modern and aggressive look. From the side, the car showcases smooth curves and muscular fenders, enhancing its sporty appeal. It also features flush door handles and 22-inch aerodynamic wheels, reducing drag and improving energy efficiency. At the rear, a full-width LED taillight bar and a sporty roof spoiler complete the futuristic design. The dual-layer rear diffuser not only enhances aerodynamics, but also adds to the vehicle's dynamic aesthetic. Overall, the Avatr 7's design is clean, modern, and in line with premium EV competitors. Interior: luxury, technology, and comfort. Stepping inside, the Avatr 7's cabin feels premium and high-tech. The interior features Nappa leather upholstery, Alcantara headliner, and wood and metal trims, creating a luxurious yet minimalist ambiance. The most eye-catching element is its advanced digital cockpit, which includes a massive 35.4-inch digital instrument cluster, a 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Huawei's Harmony OS 4.0 for a smooth and intuitive experience. In terms of comfort, the Avatr 7 doesn't disappoint. 16-way adjustable front seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, a huge 1.1 square meter panoramic glass roof, a premium 16-speaker Meridian sound system. The rear seats also provide ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys more comfortable. With these features, the Avatr 07 positions itself as a strong competitor against Tesla Model Y, BMW iX3, and Audi Q4 e-tron. But it has performance and powertrain options. The Avatr 07 is available in two different powertrain configurations. One, fully electric version, BEV, battery electric vehicle, 82.16 kilowatt-hours CATL battery pack, 800 volts ultra-fast charging architecture. Rear-wheel drive, RWD variant producing 231 kilowatt, 310 HP. Dual-motor all-wheel drive, AWD variant with increased power output, up to 650 kilometers, CLTC cycle on a single charge. Here 2, extended range hybrid version, ERV, extended range electric vehicle. 1.5-liter turbo gasoline engine acts as a range extender, eliminates range anxiety for long-distance travel. With its 800-volt charging system, the Avatr 07 can charge from 30% to 80% in just 15 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging EVs in its class. This performance level puts the Avatr 07 in direct competition with models like the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. Price and market competition. Can it succeed in the US and Europe? The Avatr 07 starts at approximately $31,400 in China, making it a very affordable alternative compared to its competitors. Tesla Model Y $50,000, PIF to $55,000. Hyundai Ioniq 5 $45,000, Volkswagen ID4 $43,000, $48,000. If the Avatr 07 enters the European and American markets, it will have to face competition from well-established brands. However, competitive pricing and advanced technology could make it a strong alternative. One potential challenge is consumer perception of Chinese EV brands. While companies like BYD and NIO have gained traction in global markets, Avatr is still a relatively unknown brand outside China. Nonetheless, if the company can obtain European and American safety certifications and invest in strong marketing and service networks, it could become a serious competitor in these regions. In conclusion, the The Avatr 07 is an impressive high-tech electric SUV that offers luxury, performance, and affordability. If it successfully enters Western markets, it could become a major player in the EV industry, competing directly with Tesla and other leading brands. What do you think about the Avatr 07? Do you believe it can succeed in the European and American markets? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video. Take care and drive safe!